Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. We got stuff we ordered from amazon.co.uk. We want to unbox. JBL Charge 5, JBL Charge 5, Bluetooth V5.1, JBL Heyman Charge 5. This speaker will take the party with you no matter the weather. JBL Charge 5 deliver bold JBL original pro sound with its optimized long excursion driver, separate twister and dual pumping JBL bass radiators, up to 20 hours of playtime, a handy power bank to keep your device charged, keep the party going all night. The IP67, so this speaker got IP67, which is waterproof and dustproof. Charge 5 survive whatever comes to its way, whether rain or spilled drink, beach and sand. You can connect multiple JBL PartyBoost enabled speakers for a sound big enough for the crowd. Thanks to the PartyBoost 2 internal speaker, Bluetooth compatible, 40 watts, 2 amplifier channel, frequency 65 Hz to 20,000 Hz, power from USB. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. We're going to open up this speaker. This is the USB cable. And information pack. Nice. Look at that. Brilliant. JBL. Let's see what it looks like. Charge 5. This speaker at the back here, so the USB cable goes here at the back, so the power cable goes in here, and this is the USB. So you can connect this USB end, see, to this end, and this part to your phone as well. Now if you want to charge this up, then you need to connect it to this end, then connect this end to the power socket so that you can plug it in to the power. And see a white light showing here. So this speaker, you switch this speaker on and off from this button. This button is Bluetooth. Plus is for you to increase the volume, the minus is for you to decrease the volume, and this is pause and play, and this one is for party. So switch this speaker on. You can see the Bluetooth is highlighting here. It's looking for available Bluetooth device. Now we're going to connect this using my mobile phone. You can connect this using JBL app, or you go to your phone settings, go to the phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on, then select Bluetooth. It will start to look for available Bluetooth device. So now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. JBL Charge 5 is available. Select Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's connected. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator.
impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free. You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on
This speaker is beautiful. If you want to control the equalizer, then you need to go to JBL app. And this is the speaker here, JBL Charge 5. You need to select on it. And it's connected, showing us the battery is 100% charging. You also see the software update available, equalizer. So the equalizer, you can adjust the equalizer whichever way you like.
is you. one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. And I'll take it to peace and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning. Give me the London or Tokyo.
This speaker is beautiful. If you want to charge your phone, what you need to do, you just need to unplug this, then take the USB, go at the back, connect it to the USB side, and connect this end into your phone, and the phone is charging now. So this is the beauty of it. So you won't have to worry about whether your phone battery will run out or not. So this speaker got power bank, so you can play music as much as you like. So this gear deserves your attention. It's value for money. Thank you very much.